Inside the human body, a group of fat-soluble molecules known as vitamin E perform the role of antioxidants. It is extremely important for the health of your body as a whole, including your skin, hair, muscles, eyes, nerves, and immune system, which it helps to keep in good condition. A lack of vitamin E can result in a variety of health issues, such as issues with the skin and hair, weakness in the muscles, eyesight problems, neurological issues, cognitive decline, anemia, a weakened immune system, and delayed wound healing. In this video, we are going to talk about 9 warning signs your body is missing vitamin E. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 9. Dry skin. Protecting your skin from the damage that can be caused by free radicals, which can lead to dry, rough and scaly skin, is one of the many benefits of vitamin E. Your skin might get dry and lose its elasticity if you do not get enough vitamin E, which can make it more prone to wrinkles and other indications of aging. Vitamin E is found in almonds, spinach, and avocados. Your skin will have a better texture and appearance as a result of the moisturizing effect that vitamin E has on it. You should consume a diet that is balanced and contains foods that are rich in this nutrient, such as nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and cereals that have been fortified with vitamin E in order to maintain good skin and ensure that you are getting enough vitamin E. You can also apply vitamin E oil directly to your skin, which will assist to hydrate and protect your skin at the same time. Number 8. Hair loss. Vitamin E is vital for healthy hair growth and prevents hair loss by boosting blood circulation in the scalp and supplying essential nutrients to the hair follicles. If you want to avoid hair loss, vitamin E should be a part of your daily routine. Your hair may become fragile and brittle if you don't get enough vitamin E, which makes it more likely to split and fall out as a result of the condition. In order to maintain healthy hair and ensure that you are getting enough vitamin E, you should eat a diet that is balanced and includes foods that are rich in this nutrient. Because of its antioxidant properties, vitamin E can aid in the protection of cells against the damage that is produced by free radicals. This pertains to the cells that reside within your hair follicles. These cells are susceptible to harm if they do not receive enough amount of vitamin E, which can result in hair that is fragile and brittle. Number 7. Muscle weakness. It is essential to have enough vitamin E in order to keep your muscles healthy and strong. It is beneficial in that it helps to decrease the damage that exercise and other forms of physical activity inflict on muscles. Your muscles may atrophy and become less strong if you do not get enough vitamin E, which will make it more difficult for you to engage in physically demanding activities. A deficit in vitamin E often manifests itself in the form of a weakening of the muscles. This is due to the fact that vitamin E has a role in the preservation and repair of skeletal muscle tissue. If you don't get enough vitamin E, your muscles can start to deteriorate and become frail, which can lead to weakening and even muscular damage. Cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and number 6. Vision problems. Vitamin E is essential for maintaining good eye health and warding off age-related eye conditions, including cataracts and macular degeneration. It plays a pivotal part in this process. Your vision may get hazy if you do not get enough vitamin E, which can also lead to other vision disorders and even blindness if left untreated. Retinopathy are just a few of the eye problems that can be exacerbated by a deficiency in vitamin E. While AMD and retinopathy both cause damage to the retina, cataracts are a clouding of the eye's lens. Moreover, vitamin E may help to stop or decrease the progression of many eye disorders. Supplemental vitamin E may help lower the development of cataracts and decrease the progression of AMD. Number 5. Numbness or tingling. Vitamin E contributes to the preservation of nerve function and health. Both the transmission of nerve impulses and the defense of nerves against harm are facilitated by its presence. A lack of vitamin E can lead to a variety of neurological issues, including tingling, numbness, and other sensations. In order to maintain healthy nerves and ensure that you are getting enough vitamin E, you should eat a diet that is balanced and includes foods that are rich in this nutrient. Some examples of foods that are rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereals. In addition, you could try taking vitamin E pills in order to help preserve healthy nerve activity. Number 4. Cognitive issues. The consumption of vitamin E is essential to the upkeep of cognitive function. It helps to protect the brain from oxidative damage, as well as inflammation, both of which can lead to a loss in cognitive function. Memory loss, trouble concentrating, and mental weariness are just some of the cognitive issues that can be brought on by not getting enough vitamin E. Memory loss, inability to concentrate, and difficulties coming up with solutions to problems are just some of the cognitive disorders that can be brought on by a lack of vitamin E. According to the findings of certain studies, having low levels of vitamin E may also raise the likelihood of acquiring Alzheimer's disease, as well as other types of dementia. Number 3. Anemia. The generation of red blood cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, is dependent on vitamin E. Anemia is a disorder that can be caused by a lack of vitamin E. Anemia is characterized by a lack of sufficient red blood cells to transport oxygen throughout the body's tissues, which can lead to feelings of exhaustion, weakness, and shortness of breath. The creation of red blood cells, which are in charge of transporting oxygen throughout the body, needs vitamin E. Vitamin E is involved in this process. Anemia can be caused when there is a deficiency in vitamin E, which can either lead to a reduction in the number of red blood cells or a reduction in their capacity to carry oxygen. Number 2. Weak immune system. The maintenance of a strong immune system requires enough intake of vitamin E. It does this by assisting the body in the creation of antibodies, as well as protecting it from potentially hazardous germs and viruses. It is possible for a lack of vitamin E to weaken the immune system, making it more difficult for the body to ward off illnesses and infections. Low vitamin E levels have also been linked in certain studies to an increased risk of respiratory infections, particularly in elderly persons. It is crucial to keep in mind, though, that a deficiency in vitamin E is not usually the root reason for a weakened immune system. Thus, it's crucial to see a medical expert ascertain the root of a compromised immune system and the best course of action. Number 1. Untimely healing of the wound. Vitamin E contributes to the recovery process following injuries or damage to the skin. Both the reduction of inflammation and the stimulation of the production of new skin cells are benefits of this. It is possible for a lack of vitamin E to cause delayed wound healing, which makes it more challenging for the body to restore injured tissue. Vitamin E plays a role in the regulation of the immune response, the reduction of inflammation, and the prevention of oxidative damage to the skin cells that occurs when the skin is wounded. In addition to this, it encourages the development of new blood vessels and skin cells, both of which are necessary for the repair of injured tissue. This process, however, can be slowed down and made more difficult for the body to heal injured tissue if there is a deficiency of vitamin E in the body. This can lead to wounds that heal more slowly than normal, which can be especially problematic for persons who suffer from diabetes or other chronic diseases. It is important to eat a well-balanced diet that includes foods that are rich in this nutrient, such as nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereals, in order to ensure that you are receiving an adequate amount of vitamin E for the healthy healing of wounds. Vitamin E is essential for maintaining healthy skin and tissue. Also, you can speed up the healing process by using vitamin E oil topically to wounds. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.